Are you looking for the best dual extruder 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best dual extruder 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Geeetech A10T 3D Printer. The Geeetech A10T 3D printer is a professional-grade 3D printer designed for precision and versatility. This model features dual or triple extruders, TMC 2208 drivers, and FDM, fused deposition modeling, technology, offering high-quality 3D printing capabilities. With its dual or triple extruders, the Geeetech A10T allows for the printing of multicolored or multimaterial objects. This enables users to create complex and visually diverse 3D prints with ease. The inclusion of TMC 2208 drivers ensures smooth and silent operation during the 3D printing process. This enhances the overall printing experience by minimizing vibrations and reducing noise levels. Number 2. Sovol SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer. Sovol SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer is a high-performance printer designed for large-scale 3D printing projects. This model features independent dual extruder, IDEX, technology, TMC 2209 silent driver, auto leveling, and a larger build volume of 300x 300x 400mm. With independent dual extruder, IDEX, technology, the Sovol SV0 allows for simultaneous printing with two separate extruders. This enables users to print multiple identical objects simultaneously or create complex designs with different materials or colors. The inclusion of the TMC 2209 silent driver ensures quiet and smooth movement during the printing process. This enhances the overall experience by reducing noise levels and minimizing vibrations for accurate and precise prints. Number 3. IdeaFormer IR3 V1 3D Printer. The IdeaFormer IR3 V1 3D printer is a versatile and innovative printer designed for efficient and precise 3D printing. This model features an infinite Z treadmill design, Core XY motion system, dual extruders, TMC 2226 drivers, and a conveyor belt for FDM, fused deposition modeling, printing. One of the standout features of the IdeaFormer IR3 V1 is its infinite Z treadmill design. This design allows for continuous printing with the ability to print objects of infinite length on the Z-axis. It eliminates the constraints of a limited build volume and opens up possibilities for long or continuous prints. The Core XY motion system ensures stable and precise movement during the printing process. This system combines the benefits of both Cartesian and HBOT systems, resulting in improved print quality, faster printing speeds, and reduced vibrations. Number 4. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. Aliexpress Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer Overview. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer is a reliable and feature-rich printer designed for high-quality 3D printing. This model offers a high-temperature capability of up to 300 degrees Celsius, a fast printing speed of 160mm/s, a full metal dual-gear extruder, CR touch automatic leveling, and a sturdy build. The Ender 3S1 Pro's high-temperature capability of up to 300 degrees Celsius allows for compatibility with a wide range of filament materials, including those that require higher printing temperatures. This versatility enables users to explore various printing options and achieve excellent print quality across different applications. With a rapid printing speed of 160mm/s, the Ender 3S1 Pro minimizes printing time without compromising print quality. This makes it suitable for both small-scale and large-scale projects, offering efficient and timely printing results. Number 5. JGMAKER Artist D Pro 3D Printer. The JGMAKER Artist D Pro 3D Printer is a high-performance printer designed for professional-grade 3D printing. This model features auto leveling, independent dual extruders, direct drive, a 32-bit motherboard, and a minimal power supply. The auto leveling feature of the JGMAKER Artist D Pro simplifies the bed leveling process, ensuring optimal printing conditions and consistent print quality. This feature eliminates the need for manual adjustment and helps users achieve accurate and reliable prints. With independent dual extruders, this printer allows users to simultaneously print with two different materials or colors. This capability opens up possibilities for creating complex and visually appealing prints with ease.